Hello, my name's Tyler White, also known musicianly wise as Holy Diver. I'm a drummer for hire, independent musician. I've been in touring bands. I've been playing drums since I was about 6 years old. I was in a Rush tribute band for 5 years. Last band I toured with was the Dave Farrant band. But I do a lot of drumming with various different function bands. And I do a lot of teaching. I teach every week at a charity called Boathouse that deals with adults and sort of teenagers with Down syndrome, physical and mental health problems, and also learning difficulties, and I absolutely love it. Collision Drumsticks to me are just the most insane things I've ever played. I mean, I've played branded sticks over the years, and they're just far superior. Absolutely insane, and mixed with my cymbals that I play as well, they're just the perfect match. I absolutely love the tip on them. The tip, especially when you're riding the bell through those heavy rock songs like funk, soul, bit of swing, they just do it all. I play the 5AR range, the reach range. I just thought I'd try something a bit different, and I'll tell you what, I'm never looking back. They are absolutely amazing. I feel you get more feel through them. The build quality of the stick is just, they are unbreakable. As I said about the tip's insane. Yeah, and the song I'm going to play is Sissy Strut. It was at a blues jam night, and totally unrehearsed. I got asked to get up and play, and I had my trusty Collision sticks with me. So I got up and played. This is totally unrehearsed. I absolutely love this song. I was brought up on things like The Meters, Dr. John, B.B. King, Albert Collins, Nina Simone. The list goes on. I was brought up on this kind of music. I absolutely love it, and I hope you enjoy. Mm-hmm.